Hello, my name is Charlotte. Today I went to the Makerspace and I did a few stuff. But my favorite part about the Makerspace is that it always has stuff that you can make.
At Lincoln Community School, one of our core values is simple yet powerful. Don't just tell me how it's done, let me try. And the Makerspace is where that belief comes alive every day.
I come to the Makerspace every day, except Saturdays and Sundays because there's no school on Saturdays and Sundays.
With dedicated stations for textiles, beads, woodwork, video editing, cooking, music, 3D printing, laser cutting, and more, our Makerspace nurtures creativity, critical thinking, time management, collaboration, and real-world solving problems.
65.
Hello, I'm Miss Anne, Makerspace and Service Learning Officer. Here in the Makerspace, there are a wide range of opportunities for students to have hands-on experiences. Over the school year, we tend to collaborate with a lot of subjects to create products for their unit. Students have the opportunity to develop maker mindset here within the Makerspace. So all students are invited, and it's a place that nothing is graded, and they get the opportunity to be passionate, to innovate, and just to experiment.
From summer school to after-school activities and Lincoln Academy, the Makerspace is not only a hub for learning, it's a vibrant center for collaboration, exploration, and innovation across our school community.
I really love this place because I'm never bored here and there are always stuff to do and it's super duper fun.
The Makerspace is more than just a room. It's where ideas take shape, skills are built, and innovators are formed, setting Lincoln Community School apart as a leader in future-ready education.